reason we stand side by side, creating a header where they belong.
Work continues at the site. As you can see, we are doing the pallets on which the animals shall rest, and we give enough space in between the two planks so that the defecation, the poo, and the urine will be able to go down. And when we have enough quantities that need to be cleaned, we use a special kind of rake to bring them out, and then we dispose them. So you can see, this is how we lay the pallet carefully so that we can get the result that we desire. There is a space of between half an inch and 1 inch in between the two planks that are laid side by side. They were well braced under. You can see how it's braced under with galvanized pipe and concrete. We use hard and sturdy wood for the pallets.